An díaghaid gach duine an píosa inniu sa Gaeilge nó Tithe, houses. Tá teach ag an seilide, teach beag crin. Tugann sé leis sé ar a grim. Tá teach ag an madra a muis a clós. Duras bra mór ann, gan ein in óg. Tá teach ag an spidóg is jiggy dur, ivica beaga ann, ein ag gur. Tithe jasa iad go léir, agus fear go mórlam muicheach beag féin. Now, I haven't, boys and girls, explained each one of those because I'm sure you can figure that out yourself. It's sort of self-explanatory. On folklore, Shelida, snail, drim, back, spidog, robin, a gur, hatching, crin, round, so close in the yard, a dur in a bush. Agus in you, boys and girls, no question and no questions, just a little task. Leg agus fowlam an dawn. Read and learn the poem. If you get really adventurous, you can make a video of it and try and send it to us. Super, everybody.